Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn English, lesson number 11 in the world of dictionaries. We often come across words that are unfamiliar to us when we read books, newspapers, or magazines. We also hear new words and phrases when we watch TV programs. In the classroom, the teacher is always available to the students to tell the meaning of new and difficult words. But she cannot accompany every student all the time to explain the meaning of every new word. Besides, grown-up people also need help in this respect. A language has hundreds of thousands of words in it. It is impossible for one person to know all of them. But all these words can be explained in a dictionary. Let us now see what the word dictionary means in different dictionaries. In one book, dictionary means a book in which words are listed in alphabetical order from A to Z. You look up a word in a dictionary to find out what it means and how to spell it. In another book, dictionary means a book that gives a list of words in alphabetical order and explains their meanings in the same language or another. A book that explains word used in a subject. Thus we see that dictionary shows us many things. Words in a dictionary are usually arranged in alphabetical order. A dictionary tells us what a word means. A dictionary shows us how a word is spelled. A dictionary tells us the different form of the same word. For example, rose, roses, go, going, went, gone, etc. A dictionary tells us with of example how a word is used. A dictionary lists many other words, phrases related to that word. A dictionary points out the different meanings of words which have the same spelling. A dictionary also tells us the grammatical class to which a word belongs. Student, there are different types of dictionaries. Let us see few of them. First is Children's Dictionary. Some dictionaries are designed specially for children. They include only a few thousand words, but there are many pictures and diagrams in children dictionaries. Next is Pronouncing Dictionaries. Some dictionaries provide only the pronunciation of words. It is shown with the help of special symbols. Next, Dictionary of Synonyms. Some dictionaries give list of synonymous words which have a similar meaning. They may also include antonyms or opposites. Next, Visual Dictionaries. Some dictionaries contain only visuals or pictures. They do not have to explain the meaning in words, as the visual speak for themselves, as you can see the picture shown beside. Encyclopedic dictionaries. Encyclopedias are the books that give a lot of information on a great number of topics. Encyclopedic dictionaries too give a lot more information about most of they contain. Online dictionaries. Computers and the internet have brought with them online dictionaries. They are very easy to use. You just type the word you want to look up and instantly you are shown its meaning, use, etc. Students, a dictionary is a must for a student. You can begin with simple, attractive dictionaries and then learn to use more difficult ones later.